Hi everyone, this is Priya Satish. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Fevikryl's newly launched Art of India Kalamkari art. This kit is available in Amazon and it is priced at 599 rupees. I recently purchased the Kalamkari kit and the packaging is really awesome. Now let's see what's there in the pack. We have two pre-printed canvas boards of size 8x10 with a step-by-step procedure on how to color and 10 vibrant acrylic colors of 20 ml each. The canvas board size, as I mentioned, is 8x10 size. This is Fevikryl's newly launched pre-printed canvas where you need not take the pain of drawing the design or tracing the design. It is pre-printed. All you have to do is just open the kit and start painting. We also get fine art synthetic Taclon round brushes size 2 and 6 in the kit. There is a pamphlet given in the kit which contains the step-by-step tutorial to paint the canvas. They have also provided a QR code for the step-by-step tutorial of the video. So in case you want to draw the design freehand, then you can visit the channel where they have provided the step-by-step procedure of the design as well. So in the kit, they have provided two sets of Fevicryl acrylic colors. One is the summer range of colors with 6 shades of 20 ml each, and the other one is the autumn range of colors, again 6 shades of 20 ml bottle. The consistency of the paints are of the right consistency actually. We don't need to add any water. We can directly take the color and paint it on the canvas. They are vibrant and the application of the colors on the canvas is very easy. The viscosity of these paints are slightly thicker than our normal Fevicryl acrylic colors which comes in the 15 ml bottles. The colors in the kit come in nice cute bottles which looks very attractive and it is easy to open and close. We have really nice rich pigments which are in the bottles, so the colors look so vibrant and fresh. The Art of India kit is also available in Gond art and Patachitra art. So if you are a beginner with Indian art forms, then this is a must-go kit for you. This will help you know about the intricate details of the art forms like the Kalamkari, Gond or the Patachitra art. The designs in the Kalamkari kit are done by Sriramulu Shinde from Anandpur district in Andhra Pradesh. He has been practicing and teaching Kalamkari art for the past 23 years. His family has been engaged in making Kalamkari for generations. So thanks to him for creating these beautiful designs for us. The designs in these kits are so versatile and beautiful that it can go well for all occasions, either for gifting, for housewarming or marriages or any functions or festivals, or even to decorate your own homes. If you are an absolute beginner who doesn't know to paint and would love to paint, then this is the kit for you. It has all the required materials and the step by step procedure wherein you just have to refer the notes and do the coloring. You can also use the scanner to scan the QR code wherein you get the video tutorial. So for absolute beginners, this is a very easy and perfect DIY. Let's paint and enjoy. I am now at the completion of this painting. I have completed the other board off camera, and at the end of this video you can see the pictures of both the canvases. Hope you liked it. Hope you will buy the kit and enjoy. Thank you. Bye bye.